Hello everyone! Have you ever used Neosporin on your new tattoo? Have you done that? If yes, then this video is particularly for you guys, and if you are going to get a new tattoo done, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. There's no wonder in India, many of the tattoo artists suggesting Neosporin or Betadine or any other stuffs. So they'll be like, hey bro, I got my new tattoo done, what can I use it? So artist will be says like, you use Neosporin or Betadine, you can get it from the medical store, just apply it, just a small tube, you just apply it, your tattoo will be healed perfectly. Do you think your tattoo is a wound? Is it so? So Neosporin, the Betadine, as they clearly mentioned, it's for the cut wounds and it will be the antibiotic which will be included to save the particular wound. But your tattoo is not a wound, you need to remember it clearly. So this will not work at the time of healing when it comes to the tattoo. So you need to understand your tattoo and the wound both are in the different scenario. I will explain you how and scientifically. So in the wound, it's a cut. So there is your dermis and the epidermis, there is a chances of damage will be there. For example, if you get any bike skidding or something, your skin will get peeled off completely, as well as your dermis and the epidermis melanoid layers will be visible outside. Correct? That's how we'll be start to apply the Betadine or the Neosporin. But when it comes to the tattoos, it's not working that way. When we do the tattoo artist, so if you are going ahead with the professional tattoo studio or the best tattoo artist, they do only up to the 0.2 mm into your skin. That is very minimal. So it will be goes up to the second layer of the skin, that is dermis. So you no need to worry at all that this will be cause the wound. You got it? Your skin is not peeled in the tattoo. So wound is completely different than the tattoo. So using a Neosporin or Betadine or any other antibiotic cream will not gives you the best output on the new tattoo. That you need to remember it. I will explain you what are all the disadvantages as well as which cream will be suitable to use it. So when you use the Neosporin on your new tattoo, that contains a lot of chemicals in it which can give the bad impact on your new tattoo, because on top of our skin there is a ink got filled on our epidermis or the dermis layer, but when you apply this Neosporin or Betadine on top of it, that Neosporin or Betadine antibiotic will start to think that our inks as a foreign content and they will start to fight with it. So there is the chances your tattoo will be start to looks very patch once got healed, as well as your tattoo may looks little dull. This happens when you apply the antibiotic creams on top of it. So that's why we highly recommend to use the tattoo protector cream. You can see the image here. This is the tattoo protector cream. It has an organic content. It's specially for tattoo healing as well as the tattoo aftercare maintenance. If you are a person got a new tattoo in our studio, we highly recommend this tattoo protector cream. Or if you are a person already got a tattoo done, but you want to maintain your tattoo to be darker for the longer duration, then this tattoo protector cream will be helpful for you a lot. So you need to remember this one thing. This is specifically for the tattoo protector, for not any other purpose. This is specifically for tattoo. So they made the content specifically to heal the tattoo. So this will be skin friendly, as well as this will be suitable for all skin types. This will not cause any allergic, and it will make your tattoo heal so much darker in the longer duration. Got it? And one more thing I need to add in this tattoo protector cream is this will be helpful for your longer duration for the maintenance. For example, if you are go ahead with the beach or any party or function, you just take a small peanut size of the tattoo protector cream, just apply it and go ahead. Your tattoo will be looks awesome. Yes, trust me, it will look more darker, and if you go ahead in the direct sun exposure, this tattoo protector cream will protect you from the complete UV rays. So your tattoo will be always looks darker in the longer run also. So hereafter, when you are going to get a new tattoo done, if your tattoo artist or any other your bro suggesting you to get a Neosporin or any other Betadine ointment, just tell them no. You just go ahead with the organic creams which can help your tattoo to be healed perfectly. Don't get infect your tattoo and don't spoil your tattoo. Until and learn, we'll be come up with the new great topics on the next video. If you want guys to be talk about any other new topics, or if you have any other doubts, comment us in the comment section. We'll be describe about the topic in our next video. Until then, don't die dude.